Hey love, so I saw this hairstyle on Erica's head on Instagram and I totally just fell in love with it. I wanted to just try it out for myself. So if this sounds like something that you guys are interested in, why not stick around and keep on watching. So I started off with parting my hair into 3 sections, although I did mine differently, as you can see from the start of the video, because has had the 2 coily bangs in front, but mine is straight but slightly curved. So yeah, it's quite different. But anyways, if I'm to try this hairstyle again, there are some things that I would do and there are some things that I would not do. So just stick around to the end of the video so that you can basically see what you are supposed to do and what you are supposed to avoid when trying out this hairstyle. So this is just me packing my hair in 3 sections. As you can see, I did the rest off camera and this is how it's looking like, although the pattern at the back isn't quite, okay. But anyways, I gave it a try out and it came out really great, and that is just the main point about this. So yeah, this is my hair and I'm going to be adding some extensions. Like I said, if I'm to try this hairstyle again, I wouldn't do the sewings. I would just use add the extension and use a bunny glue to just add it to my hair to blend instantly instead of weaving the hair like I did in this video. But anyways, it came out very, very beautiful at the end of everything, and I feel like this style is giving. So I went ahead to braid that part so I can actually do like a sewing with my needle and thread. And like I said, if I'm to do this hairstyle again, I would use a bonding glue and just attach the hair, which would make it very easy and make it very easy for my hair to blend very well. So this is what I did. After weaving it all the way through to the other part, I used my needle and thread to tuck the rest of the hair inside so that I can be able to do my sewings properly. So that's basically what I did over here so that I can do my sewing. So anyways, this was quite very, very simple and it came out really, really great, although Erica's own is quite different, like I said, because hers is a bit coily at the front, but mine, I just decided to just do something different. And I'm so happy that I actually tried this hairstyle and it came out really great. So guys, let me know what you think about this. What are your thoughts? Will you be trying this hairstyle? What do you think I did that wasn't really nice, or what do you think I would have done differently? So yeah, this is how it is. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side, and here I'm just using my hot iron to just make sure that this sits quite nice, and this is how it's looking like. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my braid extension and divide it into 3. This is actually a pre-stretch hair, so I was able to just divide that one part of pre-stretch braiding extension into 3 parts for the 3 sections, and this is me just weaving it all the way down. I'm going to do the rest off camera, so just keep on watching.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them.
So when I got to the end of the braid, I left some extensions like this so that I could have the fly-offs at the end of the weave. So this is me just wrapping it round. After wrapping it round, what I did was just to tuck the other parts at the back of the braid so that it could have a fly-off looking like this. So this is what I did. I just tucked it in, and then I went by with my needle and thread, and I just started making sure that the bun is well secured. And this is how the 3 of them are looking like. I didn't put the fly-offs in the 3rd one. So the next you want to do is to use your hot iron and you just want to give that a curve, and this is how it is looking like. So I went ahead to trim it after giving it a curve, and yeah, this is how the hair is looking like. What do you guys think about this hair? Rate it from 1 to 100 in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle also. Overall, this hairstyle was really nice. I love the fact that I tried something and it came out really nice. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments section. And thank you so much guys for watching this video to this extent. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like so that every other person could actually see it. And that's all for today. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we